Hello everyone, this is Dr. Langbine, and today we're going to be talking about moving averages and how to calculate the MAD. In this example, this is actually problem number 15 in chapter 5 that we're going to go through. Okay, so for a moving average, what businesses might do is they might say that the past is a good indicator of what the future might be. Now, depending upon what type of business you're in, this may or may not be helpful for you. Some retail businesses use this, some seasonal businesses have some issues with it because they're busy during certain months and not during other months. But in this example, we're just going to use a 4-month moving average. Well, if we're going to use a 4-month moving average, for the first 4 months, we don't have enough data to do this. So for the 4-month moving average, there's nothing to report for month 1, 2, 3, or 4. So to come up with May's number, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add April plus March plus February plus January. You're going to add those 4 numbers together, and you're going to divide that by 4. So you're going to have 51 divided by 4, or 12.75. For June, you're going to take February, March, April, May, add them together, divide by 4, and you're going to come up with 15. And you're just going to keep doing this till you get to the end. So then you're going to come up with 17.75, 21, 24.5, 26.75, 25.5, and 23. Now, to figure out the MAD, we actually have to go ahead and we have to do some calculations. So the first thing that we have to do is we're going to take our actual sales and we're going to subtract that from our forecast. So again, for the first 4 months, there's nothing we can do. So come May, now we're going to take our actual sales of 19. We're going to subtract 12.75, which is going to give us 6.25. Then we're going to go ahead to June. We're going to say, okay, the actual sales were 23. 23 minus 15 gives us 8. 26 minus 17.75 gives us 8.25. 30 minus 21 gives us 9. 28 minus 24.5 gives us 3.5. 18 minus 26.75 is going to give us a negative 8.75. 16 minus 25.5 is going to give us a negative 9.5. And finally, 14 minus 23 is going to give us a negative 9. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the sum of our errors. So in other words, we're going to add this column up, and we're going to get 62.25. Now, a lot of students make a mistake, and they think that is the actual answer. It's not. For the MAD, you take the sum of your forecast errors, divide that by n, the number of months that we're talking about. So in this case, we have 62.25. We're going to divide that by 8, which is going to give us 7.78, which that is our MAD.